let me guess. You have been watching YouTube video about digital products for months, maybe even years. We have got a whole notebook full of tips and tricks. We have bookmarked dozens of video, but here's the thing. You still haven't actually launched anything. Sound familiar? I see this all the time. People get stuck in learning mode. They think they need to know everything before they can start. But here's the truth. You don't need more information. You need a simple plan that you can actually follow. That's exactly what I'm giving you today. No fluff, just a clear step-by-step blueprint to get your digital product out into the world. And listen, I can't promise you will make millions overnight, but I can promise you this. You will never make any money if you don't launch that product that's been stuck in your head. So, if you are ready to stop learning and start doing, let's dive in. I've got 5 simple steps that will take you from idea to launch. And by the way, I've created a free checklist with everything we have covering today. You can grab that in the descriptions below. No excuses after this video. You will have everything you need to get started. Step 1. Choose a beginner-friendly format. Alright, step 1 is to choose the right format for your digital product. Now, you might be already have a product's idea. If you don't, that's totally fine. I already create a PDF for you, 22 must-have digital products to skyrocket your online sales, and also 38 most popular Canva-made digital products to sell on Etsy. Just click on the link in the descriptions below to download the file. But once you have your idea, you need to decide how you are going to create it. Here's where most people mess up. They think they need to create these massive, complicated courses with hours of video content. That's wrong. That's exactly why you never launch. I want you to keep it simple. There are really only 3 formats you should consider: PDF bundle, templates, simple online courses. And if you're just starting out, I'm going to make this decision easy for you. Start with a PDF bundle. But wait, you are thinking PDF sounds so boring. They are not. You can make them in Canva and you can get really creative. This could be a planner, a workbook, a step-by-step guide, a collection of templates or checklists. The key words here is bundle. Don't just create one PDF. Create bundle of 3 to 5 related items. Put yourself in your customer's shoes. If you are creating a meal planning guide, what else would they need? Maybe a grocery list template, a recipe card template, a weekly planner. So bundle it all together. Here's simple trick. Open up ChatGPT and ask it something like, I want to create a digital products about your topic for your audience. So can you suggest 3 to 5 simple items I could bundle together that I can create in Canva? ChatGPT will give you tons of ideas. You just need to pick the ones that feel easy for you to create. Remember, you are the boss here. AI gives suggestions, but you make the decisions. One thing I always add to my bundle is a simple checklist. People love checklists. They are easy to follow and they make people feel accomplished when they check things off. I can create a good checklist in Canva about 15 minutes. But when I add it to a bundle, it makes the whole thing feel more valuable. Step 2. Price it right. Step 2 is pricing, and this is where people either leave money on the tables or price themselves out of the sales. Here's what I want you to know, and you might not like it at first. I want you to price your first product under 10 USD. I know you are thinking, but I'm putting all this work in. Why would I sell it for so cheap? Here's why this works. First, it takes the pressure off you. When you think you are creating something expensive, you go overboard. You overthink it, you never launch it because it's never feel good enough. Second, is take the pressure off your customers. When someone buying something for USD 7, they are expecting good value, but they are not expecting perfections. This gives you rooms to grow and improve. The sweet spot is around USD 7 to 9. That's it. Now, let me tell you something that might surprise you. There are people making millions with USD 9 products. I personally made over 1,000 with my USD 9 digital products. Here's the magic. When someone buy your USD 7 products and it's amazing, they think, wow, if this is what she gave me for USD 7, I can't wait to see what her next product looks like. You are building trust and loyalty. About 70% of my customers who buy my USD 9 product come back and buy something else later. Think of it this way. You are under-promising with your price and over-delivering with your value. Your goal is to make that customer think, this is the best USD 7 I've ever spent. That's how you build a community of fans who will buy everything you create. Step 3. Choose your platform. Step 3 is choosing where to sell your product. There are so many options out there. You got Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, WordPress, Kajabi, ClickFunnels, the list go on and on. But I'm going to save you from analysis paralysis. I want you to use one platform and that's it. I recommend starting with a simple platform that's designed for beginner. Look for something that's free or very affordable to start, easy to set up, fast loading, has good customer support. The worst thing you can do is spend weeks trying to build a complicated website when you could be making sales. You want something where you can upload your PDF bundle, add the descriptions, set your price, and you are ready to sell. Don't overcomplicate this. You can always upgrade to something fancier later once you are making consistent sales. The goal right now is to get your product online and start selling, not to build a perfect website. Step 4. Choose your marketing methods. Step 4 is marketing. How you are going to get people to actually find and buy your product. This is where a lot of people get overwhelmed because there are so many ways to market: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, email marketing, pay ads. But I'm going to make this simple for you. Pick one method and stick with it. If I had to choose one platform to recommend, it will be YouTube. Here's why. You can do long form video like this one, short form videos, and even community posts. It's like having multiple platforms in once. Plus, YouTube video can bring you customer for years, unlike social media posts that disappear. A good YouTube video keep working for you. And maybe your next question is, but I don't have a fancy camera or microphone. Actually, you don't need them. I started with just my phone and a USB 10 clips-on microphone from Amazon. Start where you are with what you have. Now, here's the key to good marketing. Don't talk about features, talk about solutions. Don't say my PDF bundles have 50 pages, 5 templates, and 10 checklists. Instead, say this bundle gives you everything you need to plan your meals for the months in just 30 minutes. See the difference? One is the list of stuff, the other is the solution of a problem. Think about your ideal customer. What problem do they have? What keeps them up at night? Create content that address those problems and naturally mention your product as the solutions. Your audience is probably a lot like you, so think about what you would want to watch or learn about. Step 5. Be consistent and collect emails. Step 5 is all about consistency and building your email list. Once you start creating content, you need to stick with it. I know it's tempting to post one video and expect thousands of sales, but that's not how it works. Consistency beats perfections every time. It's better to post one simple video every week than to post one perfect video every month. Now, here's something super important that will multiply your sales. Start collecting email addresses. Here's a crazy statistics. Email marketing is 40 times more likely to convert than social media. 40 times. That means the people on your email list are way more likely to buy from you than your social media followers. But how do you get people to give you their email address? You need to offer something valuable for free. That's called lead magnet or freebie. It could be a mini version of your paid products, a checklist, a template, or a short guide. The key is to make it valuable enough that people want to trade their email address for it. Then you can email your list regularly with helpful tips and occasionally mention your paid products. This is how you build a real business, not just random sales here and there. Now, I personally use leadcreator.ai to collect email. It makes the whole process super simple and automate. You can check out if you want something that just works without the headache. I will put the link in the descriptions below for leadcreators.ai. It's definitely a great tool for collecting emails that I recommend. Alright, let's recap those 5 steps. Number 1, create a simple PDF bundle using Canva. Number 2, price it between USD 7 to 9. Number 3, choose one easy platform to sell on. Number 4, pick one marketing method. I recommend using YouTube. Number 5, be consistent and start collecting email. For this part, I recommend using leadcreator.ai. That's it. No more excuses, no more learning without doing. Here's the thing, this plan isn't complicated, but it does require actions. You can watch 100 more videos, but until you actually create something and put it out there, nothing will change. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one step and do it this week. Just one. Then next week, do the next step. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital product advice. And remember, grab that free checklist in the descriptions. It has everything you covered today, plus some bonus resources. Now, stop watching and go create something. I believe in you and I can't wait to see what you build. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy creating and happy designing.